Hey guys, Mitch with Prism Supply here, talking to you today about our new product coming out. It's the factory style Sissy bar light mount. So what you're gonna get is a little bracket that attaches to either the swing arm version of the Sissy bar or the hardtail version of the Sissy bar. And when you mount it up, you can mount our chopper light, our PS41 light, and any of our round lights but the ripple light. The mounts are stainless steel and are gonna include all the appropriate hardware that you need. On the bottom of the mounts, there's 2 threaded holes to mount up to the crossbar. They are 2 inches apart on center. So if you had anything with a couple holes that are 2 inches apart, you can be creative. We encourage it. Show us what you come up with. Brackets are made here in Charlotte, North Carolina by us in-house. Get them now at prismsupply.com.
Now, everybody clap your hands. We'll do it later. We'll do it while nobody